Welcome back, math students. So yesterday we talked about subtraction and how there was 3 different kinds of methods that we can do to help with subtraction. One was the difference. When numbers are really close, we can find the difference. It's easy to find the difference. That's where we have one number here and one number here, and we count the difference in between them. The other one was removal. When numbers are really far apart, we start at one number and then we remove the smaller number from it as we count backwards on a number line. Those are 2 really good methods for subtraction. Today we're going to learn about the standard algorithm. Really fancy word for kind of how we've been doing subtraction all along. If you're more comfortable doing difference and removal, keep doing those. Keep getting that practice. If you're ready for a challenge, we're going to do the standard algorithm. There's 2 different things that we do in the standard algorithm. One is when we don't have to borrow. So when we're doing the standard algorithm, we're going to line up our numbers hamburger style. So we might have that's a really weird 3, Mr. B. 3. So we line them up hamburger style. And I know that you guys are really good at making sure we keep our place values just like that. And so what we want to do when we're doing the standard algorithm is we want to start with our bigger number on top, the one we're trying to remove from, and then we say to ourselves every time, I want you to say this to yourself, 7 take away 3. I'm starting off with 7 things. Can I give away 3? Yes, I can. If I have 7 baseball cards, I can give away 3. How many would I have left? I would have left 4. I have 9 sticks of gum. Can I give away 4? I can. I would be left with 5. I have 9 poppets. Can I give away 6? Yeah, I would be left with 3. You can do that math in your head. You can use your fingers, your hands, your toes, whatever you need. I have 1 apple pie. Can I give away 1 apple pie? I can, but I would be left with 0. So this is very straightforward. It's when we don't have to borrow, or remember that hello neighbor? So this is a method like that. The next one we're going to look at is the hello neighbor. And you'll know what I talk about here in just a second. So if we have a math problem, and I'm going to stack it hamburger style again. 2005 minus 1992. Again, I'm going to make sure I have those place values there. It is very important to do that. And again, I want you to start off the same way with those questions you're asking. I have 5 of something. Can I give away 2? Yeah, I have 5 apples. I can give you 2. I would be left with 5. I gave away 2. I'd be left with 3. Over here, I have 0 Pokemon cards. Can I give you 9? No, I can't. I have 0, I have 9. Some of you guys make the mistakes and you go, ooh, 9 minus 0. You start from the bottom. You go 9 minus 0. That's 9. Don't make that mistake. Always think to yourself, I have this much. I need to give away that much. So I have 0. I need to give away 9. I can't do that. So I'm going to have to go, yoo-hoo, neighbor. Can I borrow some? And so we're going to go to our next place value. Unfortunately, this guy doesn't have any to borrow either. So this guy, we can't use this one, we can't use this one. This guy's got to go, yoo-hoo, neighbor, can I borrow some? And this 2 goes, you know what? I can give you some. I'm going to give you 1. I am going to turn into a 1. And I'm going to give you this 1 that when you go over place values, it magically turns into a 10. So you're giving 10 plus whatever number here. Or what you can do is you can write a 1, and this number right up here, you just bring it right back up for a 0. Now, this guy has some that we can borrow too. He's still looking to borrow. So this guy goes, yoo-hoo, neighbor, do you have any to borrow from now? And he goes, yeah, I got 10 actually I can borrow. So 10 that you can borrow from. You're not getting all 10. I'm going to change myself into a 9, and I'm going to give you 1 over here. So I put my 1 over there. I'm going to take my 0 and bring it up here. And then bam, we got it. Now I have 10. Can I take away 9? Yeah, I'm left with 1. I have 9. Can I take away 9? Yeah, I have 0. I have 1. Can I take away 1? I'm left with 0. So our answer is 13. So while you're doing these, the common mistake that I'm going to see is you're going to not have enough up here to give away the amount they're asking for down here. So go really slow and think, do I have enough to give away, or do I need to yoo-hoo, neighbor, and borrow? That is the standard algorithm. We're going to have lots of practice over this the next couple of days and weeks. So if it's not making sense yet, hopefully it will soon. Practice, 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 and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!